Hey, this is my new coffee grinder and I super love it. Mostly because you can grind just 1 cup of coffee, or you can grind enough for a full potful, but mostly because it's super quiet. Yep, there it is. Doesn't wake up the whole household. Anyway, it's one of the reasons I hated regular grinders, is all that noise. It just drove me nuts. So this has been perfect. There you have it.
Okay, cinnamon stick. 3 pieces. Put it on there. Lock it. I'm going to set it for 10 seconds. You hit the button. Okay, take the lid off. Beautimous. This thing works fantastic. I love it. I think you'll dig it too.
Okay, so I went to turn this on this morning and I tried multiple times and it will not turn on. I have it plugged in. I'm pushing. I have taken it apart. There's like a lock thing. Sorry. I have taken it out, turned it, locked it back in several times, and it still won't work.
mint leaves in there. I love it. It just stopped working on me. It's in a lock position and it still's not working. Only after 3. Oh, there's a shortage. There it goes. This is weird. So there must be a shortage in the cord. Because now it... Okay, that's weird. There must be a short in the cord. I would definitely probably get a different one.
The grinder doesn't work, so it's plugged in. I know the outlet works for sure. I already tested that. I have my beans inside and gonna put the lid on, bring it all the way in, lock it. I heard the click. You guys heard it too. It locked. I have it on 15 seconds and I need to just press this button for it to grind. This machine does not work. I was sold a broken product.
The shaft is completely loose. Here's the back of it. As you can see, there's no bearing at all.
Really small.